This 5-minute solution will show you how to see your Steam password when you are logged in. Unfortunately, you can't see your password in Steam if you're logged in already. But if you forgot your password, you can reset the password when you are logged in. Just follow me to do it. Click on your Steam username and click on account details. Scroll down and click on change my password. And here select how would you like to change your password. If you have your Steam account email address access, then you can select this first option, and now you will get a verification code to your email address. Just enter the verification code here and click on continue, and then you will get the field where you can easily reset your password. And if you can't access your email address, then click on I no longer have access to this email address, and here you have to provide the new email address you want to use and enter the first email you used on your account, and here provide a phone number from your account, and here carefully describe that you want to reset your Steam account password, you forgot it and you can't access your old email address, and then all you have to do is just send this form. And so that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.